Hello and welcome back to part 3 of our biscotti video. Right, I've just taken the biscottis out of the oven, so I've slid them off the baking tray on the piece of greaseproof paper that I showed you before. So what I'm going to do now is transfer them to a cooling rack. My dog's whinging if you can hear him, so I will stand up for this. So that's obviously an end piece, but you can see the traditional biscotti shape, like with a hump in the middle. So that's an edge piece. So we're going to put these on the cooling rack and go. I've got a mini spatula, so these are quite hot because it's hot fruit that's in these, and it's like a bit jammy with it being warm. Let me get my sleeves up out of the way, and then you might be able to see. So you can see it's packed with fruit and nuts. Bear with me a minute. It won't be a minute, little boy. He's wanting, it's bedtime for him, and he's wanting a little cuddle before he goes to bed, bless him. Oh, that's a bit of a skinny one, that one, so I may have to just sample that one. We'll leave that to one side. Keep going. And then once you've, I'm going to leave them overnight because they will go harder. Once they cool down, they'll go harder like this Italian biscottis do. So once they've cooled and gone harder, they can be stored in an airtight tin or a jar. I think from memory it was for a week or 2 weeks or something. I can't remember exactly, but I will double check before and put it in the link below. I have let these cool a tiny bit just so I can handle them, so I can show you what I'm doing with them. So that's one half of the mix. But they are still quite warm. So then the other side, put them on so they get properly cool, and then, as I say, they'll go really crispy tomorrow, and then you can jar them. It's a good idea to do. I mean, they didn't take long to do. You saw me do them. It wouldn't take long to mix or anything. It took me probably 5 minutes to weigh all the ingredients out beforehand. But if you're weighing out and just mixing it and putting them in the oven, then it doesn't take long at all. I'd say probably I had altogether maybe 15-20 minutes, and then you pop them in the oven. So within an hour you could have these done from scratch. A quick surprise gift for someone, or a gift if you need to drop a gift off for somebody the next day or something like that, a quick gift. Then these can be put in the little cellophane bags or in a jar with a nice ribbon round, and they can be used for teacher gifts, or I don't know, anything really, for an aunt or a family member that you haven't seen for a while and you've just needed a gift and to drop off. Or even if you take, I mean, I know at the moment we're a bit restricted with where you can and can't go, but you could always do some of these for your church bazaar or your church fundraiser or school fundraiser. But anyhow, or you could just do them for yourself and eat them. Whatever floats your boat. Anyhow, that's them finished. Tomorrow I will bag them up or put them in a tin or decide what I'm going to do with them all, and then I will let you know. But for now, thanks for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe and join me along this journey, and most importantly, take care, be safe. Okay, thanks guys, see you soon, bye.